Why is the text not remembering its position in Davinci Resolve? So if I grab a title, a text more exactly, onto the timeline, and here at Inspector Video Settings, if I create a keyframe, then it's remembering the position of the text. We can even open this rhombus to see that keyframe, it's here. Okay, but if I go forward and move that text to a different location, then it's not remembering the location of that one, it's not creating a keyframe. Even if I click on that one, the keyframe is there, but it's not remembering the previous position. If I go further and move the text, let's say, up there and add a keyframe there also, now it's not remembering the previous two positions. So how to make Davinci remember all the positions? Well, the difference is you don't drag the title itself manually, like so, but you have to use this position, the X and the Y, and drag these. So if I drag, let's say, the Y, it will go there to the center, go, let's say, forward, drag in this case the X. Now this time it is really adding a keyframe, go there and let's say move it up with the Y, and that really adds a keyframe. And now the text is changing its position. Here on the right side it is changing the position, and on the left side it's not changing its position. So don't drag the text, but drag the position numbers.